I am Justine Miravelas from 12 STEM. In today's video, we'll be exploring one of the simplest yet fascinating concepts in physics, free fall. Have you ever wondered why objects fall the way they do? Or why a ball and a feather seem to behave so differently when you drop them? Well, today we'll answer these questions. Let's dive in.
If there's air resistance, ball and feather behave so differently when you drop them. And if there's no air resistance, if you drop both, it will hit the ground at the same time.
So what exactly is free fall? In physics, free fall refers to the motion of an object when the only force acting on it is gravity. There's no air resistance, no friction, just gravity pulling the object on the earth. In an ideal scenario, if you were to drop a hammer and a feather, they would hit the ground at the same time. That's because gravity accelerates all objects in the same rate, regardless on their mass. This concept may be surprising, but it's important to know how free fall works. On Earth, the force of gravity pulls everything toward the planet's center. The acceleration due to gravity is a constant 9.8 meter per second squared. This means that for every second of an object is in free fall, the speed of an object increases at a 9.8 meter per second. So, if you drop an object, after 1 second, it will be falling 9.8 meter per second. After 2 seconds, it will be falling at 19.6 meter per second, and so on. The longer it falls, the faster it goes.
Problem: an object is dropped from a height of 80 meters. Calculate the time it takes for the object to hit the ground and the final velocity just before impact. First, we need to write down the given. Our distance is 80 meters. And the gravity is 9.8 meter per second squared. Next to solve is the time. So our total time is positive 4.04 seconds. So next to solve is the final velocity. So our formula is velocity equals acceleration times time. Our acceleration is negative 9.8 meter per second and our time is 4.4 seconds. So our answer is negative 39.592 meter per seconds. So we get the answers.
In summary, free fall occurs when the gravity is the only force acting on an object, causing it to accelerate at a constant rate of 9.8 meter per second squared. We have learned how to calculate velocity and distance of a falling object, and how air resistance affects the real world's example. Thank you for joining me as we explore the physics of free fall. Bye-bye!